Why does your scanner show the P060B engine code? What does it mean? P060B is a diagnostic trouble code for internal control module AD processing performance. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is experiencing a problem with its internal analog-to-digital AD converter, which is crucial for processing sensor data. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Internal control module failure, power supply problems, wiring and connector issues, engine overheating. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Dodge, GMC, Chevrolet, Isuzu, and Ram. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.